Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your earbud SOUNDPEATS Air 4 Lite from the application. So, if we open SOUNDPEATS application, we haven't a button to remove these earbuds. So, how we can make it? We have a few options. The first one is to go to the settings, connected devices. Right here you need to click the settings icon or information icon if you have Apple device near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here we can or disconnect or unpair it. What's the difference? If you want to leave these earbuds at the device list but just stop Bluetooth connection, you click at the disconnect. If you want to totally unpair your earbuds, totally remove your earbuds from your phone, you click unpair. So I'm going to click disconnect. And now, as you can see, we just stop Bluetooth connection, and if we return to the application, also we need to remove it from the cache and open it again. And right here we have no devices. So this is the first method. The second one is to let me open the application. So we should see it again. The second option is to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. And it will also stop Bluetooth connection with your phone, so it will removed from the application. Now I reopen it, and as you can see, again we have no devices. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!